Hari Bol, Dandot Pranam. So, I was reciting Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. I will continue the same. Before that, let me pray to Srila Gurudev, to the Guru Parampara, the Supreme Lord and his dear associates. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitamena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Rishabhanu Suti Devi Pranamami Hari Priye. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Madhya Leela, Chapter 13. Text 1 to 5. Sajiyat Krishna Chaitanya Sri Rathagre Nanarthayah येनासि जगताम चित्रम जगन्नाथ अपि विस्मितः. जय जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य नित्यानंद, जय अद्वैत चंद्र, जय गौर भक्त वृंद, जय श्रोतागण सुन करी एक मन, रथ यात्राए नृत्य प्रभुर परम मोहन. आर दिन महाप्रभु हैया सावधान, रात्रे उठी गण संगे कैला प्रातः स्नान. पांडु विजय देखी बारे करीला गमन, जगन्नाथ यात्रा कैल छाड़ी सिंहासन. Translation. May the Supreme Personality of Godhead Sri Krishna Chaitanya, who danced in front of the Rath car of Sri Jagannath, be all glorified. By seeing his dancing, not only was the whole universe held in wonder, but Lord Jagannath himself became very much astonished. All glories to Sri Krishna Chaitanya and Prabhu Nityananda, all glories to Advaita Chandra, and all glories to the devotees of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. All glories to the listeners of Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. Please hear the description of the dancing of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at the Rath Yatra festival. His dancing is very enchanting. Please hear of it with great attention. The next day, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his personal associates got up in the dark and attentively took their early morning baths. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his personal associates then went to see the ceremony of Pandu Vijay. During this ceremony, Lord Jagannath leaves his throne and gets up onto the Rath car. Text 6 to 13. आपनी प्रताप रुद्र लैया पात्रगण महाप्रभुर गणे कराय विजय दर्शन. अद्वैत निताय आदि संगे भक्तगण सुखे महाप्रभु देखे ईश्वर गमन. बलिष्ठ दयितागण जैन मत्त हाथी जगन्नाथ विजय कराय करी हाथा हाथी. कतक दयिता करे स्कंध आलंबन, कतक दयिता धरे श्री पद्म चरण. कटी तटे बद्ध दृढ़ स्थूल पट्ट दोरी दुई दिके दयितागण उठाए ताहा धरी। उच्च दृढ़ तुली सब पाटी स्थाने स्थाने एक तुली हैते त्वराय आर तुली ते आने। प्रभु पदाघाते तुली है खंड खंड तुला सब उड़ी जाए शब्द है प्रचंड। विश्वम्भर जगन्नाथ के चालाइते पारे आपन इच्छाए चले करीते विहारे। ट्रांसलेशन King Pratap Rudra in person as well as his entourage allowed the Pandu Vijay ceremony to be seen by all the associates of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his prominent devotees Advaita Acharya, Nityananda Prabhu and others were very happy to observe how Lord Jagannath began the Rath Yatra. The very strongly built Daitas, carriers of the Jagannath deity, were as powerful as drunken elephants. They manually carried Lord Jagannath from the throne to the car. While carrying the deity of Lord Jagannath, some of the Daitas took hold of the shoulders of the Lord and some caught his lotus feet. The Lord Jagannath deity was bound at the waist by a strong, thick rope made of silk. From two sides the Daitas caught hold of this rope and raised the deity. Strong, puffed up cotton pads called tulis were spread out from the throne to the car, and the heavy deity of Lord Jagannath was carried from one pillow-like pad to the next by the Daitas. While the Daitas carried the heavy Jagannath deity from one pad to the next, some of the pads broke and the cotton content floated into the air. When they broke, they made a heavy cracking sound. Lord Jagannath is the maintainer of the whole universe. Who can carry him from one place to another? The Lord moves by his personal will just to perform his pastimes. Text 14 to 19. Mahaprabhu Manima Manima Kare Dhvani Nana Vadya Kolahale Kichui Na Suni Tabe Pratap Rudra Kare Apane Sevan Suvarna Marjani Laya Kare Patha Samarjan Chandana Jalete Kare Patha Nishechane Tuchha Seva Kare बसी राज सिंहासने उत्तम हैया राजा करे तुच्छ सेवन अतएव जगन्नाथेर कृपार भाजन। महाप्रभु सुख पाइला से सेवा देखिते महाप्रभुर कृपा हैला से सेवा हैते रथेर साजनी देखी लोके चमत्कार नव हेममय रथ सुमेरु आकार। ट्रांसलेशन While the Lord was transported from the throne to the Rath, tumultuous sounds were made on various musical instruments. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was chanting Manima Manima, but he could not be heard. While the Lord was being carried from the throne to the Rath, King Pratap Rudra personally engaged in the Lord's service by cleaning the road with a broom that had a golden handle. The king sprinkled the road with sandalwood scented water. Although he was the owner of the royal throne, he engaged in menial service for the sake of Lord Jagannath. Although the king was the most exalted, respectable person, still he accepted menial service for the Lord. He therefore became a suitable candidate for receiving the Lord's mercy. Upon seeing the king engaged in such menial service, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became very happy. Simply by rendering this service, the king received the mercy of the Lord. Everyone was astonished to see the decorations on the Ratha. The Rath appeared to be newly made of gold and it was as high as Sumeru mountain. Text 20. to 26. शत शत सुचामर दर्पणे उज्ज्वल ऊपरे पताका शोभे चांदो या निर्मल गागर किंकिणी बाजे घंटार क्वणित नाना चित्र पट्ट वस्त्रे रथ विभूषित लीलाए चढ़ीला ईश्वर रथेर ऊपर आर दुई रथे चढ़े सुभद्रा हलधर 5-10 दिन ईश्वर महालक्ष्मी लैया तार संगे क्रीड़ा कैला निभृति वसिया ताहार सम्मति लैया भक्ते सुख दीते रथे चढ़ी बाहिर हिला विहार करीते सूक्ष्म श्वेत बालू पथे पुलिने रसम दुई दिके तोता सब जैन वृंदावन रथे चढ़ी जगन्नाथ करीला गमन दुई पार्श्वे देखी चले आनंदित मन. Translation: The decorations included bright mirrors and hundreds of chamaras, white whisks made of yak tails. On top of the rath were a neat and clean canopy and a very beautiful flag. The rath was also decorated with silken cloth and various pictures. Many brass bells, gongs and ankle bells rang. For the pastimes of the Rath Yatra ceremony, Lord Jagannath got abroad one rath and his sister Subhadra and elder brother Balram got abroad 2 other raths. For 15 days the Lord had remained in a secluded place with the Supreme Goddess of Fortune and had performed his pastimes with her. Having taken permission from the Goddess of Fortune, the Lord came out to ride on the rath and perform his pastimes for the pleasure of the devotees. The fine white sand spread all over the path resembled the bank of the Yamuna, and the small gardens on both sides looked just like those in Vrindavan. As Lord Jagannath rode in his rath and saw the beauty on both sides, his mind was filled with pleasure. Text 27 to 35. गौड़ सब रथत्राने करिया आनंद क्षणे शीघ्र चले रथ क्षणे चले मंद क्षणे स्थिर हैया रहे टानी ले हो ना चले ईश्वर इच्छाए चले ना चले कार बले. तबे महाप्रभु सब लैया भक्तगण स्वहस्ते पराइला सबे माल्य चंदन. परमानंदपुरी और भारती ब्रह्मानंद श्रीहस्ते चंदन पाया बाड़िल आनंद. अद्वैत आचार्य और प्रभु नित्यानंद श्रीहस्त स्पर्शे दुहार हैला आनंद. कीर्तनिया गणे दिला माल्य चंदन स्वरूप श्रीवास जहाँ मुख्य दुईजन. चारी संप्रदाय हैल 26 गायन दुई दुई मृदंगिका हैला अष्टजन. तबे महाप्रभु मने विचार करिया चारी संप्रदाय दिला गायन बांटिया. नित्यानंद अद्वैत हरिदास वक्रेश्वरे चारी जने आज्ञा दिला नृत्य करी बारे. Translation: The pullers of the Ratha were known as Gaudas and they pulled with great pleasure. However, the Rath sometimes went very fast and sometimes very slow. Sometimes the Rath would stand still and not move, even though it was pulled very vigorously. The chariot therefore moved by the will of the Lord and not by the strength of any ordinary persons. As the Rath stood still, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gathered all his devotees and with his own hand decorated them with flower garlands and sandalwood pulp. Paramananda Puri and Brahmananda Bharati were both personally given garlands and sandalwood pulp from the very hands of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This increased their transcendental pleasure. Similarly, When Advaita Acharya and Nityananda Prabhu felt the touch of the transcendental hand of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they were very pleased. The Lord also gave garlands and sandalwood pulp to the performers of Sankirtan. The two chief performers were Swarup Damodar and Srivas Thakur. There were altogether 4 parties of Kirtan performers comprising 24 chanters. In each party there were also 2 Mridanga players, making an additional 8 persons. When the 4 parties were formed, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after some consideration, divided the chanters. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ordered Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Acharya, Haridas Thakur and Vakreshwar Pandit to dance in each of the 4 respective parties. Text 36 to 44. प्रथम संप्रदाय कैला स्वरूप प्रधान आर 5 जन दिला तार पालीगान दामोदर नारायण दत्त गोविंद राघव पंडित आर श्री गोविंदानंद अद्वैत रे नृत्य करीबारे आज्ञा दिल श्रीवास प्रधान आर संप्रदाय कैल गंगादास हरिदास श्रीमान शुभानंद श्री राम पंडित ताहा नाचे नित्यानंद वासुदेव गोपीनाथ मुरारी जहाँ गाए मुकुंद प्रधान कैल आर संप्रदाय श्रीकांत वल्लभसेन आर 2 जन हरिदास ठाकुर तहाँ करेन नर्तन गोविंद घोष प्रधान कैल आर संप्रदाय हरिदास विष्णुदास राघव जहाँ गाए माधव वासुदेव घोष 2 सहोदर नृत्य करेन तहाँ पंडित वक्रेश्वर कुलीन ग्रामीण एक कीर्तनीय समाज ताहा नृत्य करेन रामानंद सत्यराज. Translation. Swarupa Damodar was chosen as the leader of the first party and was given 5 assistants to respond to his chanting. The 5 who responded to the singing of Swarup Damodar were Damodar Pandit, Narayan, Govinda Dutt, Raghav Pandit and Sri Govindanand. Advaita Acharya Prabhu was ordered to dance in the first group. The Lord then formed another group with Srivas Thakur as the chief man. The 5 singers who responded to the singing of Srivas Thakur were Gangadas, Haridas, Sriman, Shubhanand and Sri Ram Pandit. Sri Nityananda Prabhu was appointed as a dancer. Another group was formed consisting of Vasudev, Gopinath and Murari. All these were responsive singers and Mukunda was the chief singer. Another 2 persons, Srikant and Vallabh Sen, joined as responsive singers. In this group, the senior Haridas Thakur was the dancer. The Lord formed another group, appointing Govinda Ghosh as leader. In this group, the younger Haridas, Vishnudas and Raghav were responding singers. 2 brothers named Madhav Ghosh and Vasudev Ghosh also joined these groups as responsive singers. Vakreshwar Pandit was the dancer. There was a Sankirtan party from the village known as Kulinagram, and Ramananda and Satyaraj were appointed the dancers in this group. Text 45 to 54. शांतिपुरेर आचार्यर एक संप्रदाय अच्युतानंद नाचे तथा आर सब गाय खंडेर संप्रदाय करे अन्यत्र कीर्तन नरहरि नाचे तहाँ श्री रघुनंदन जगन्नाथेर आगे 4 संप्रदाय गाय 2 पाशे 2 पाछे एक संप्रदाय 7 संप्रदाय बाजे 14 माडल जार ध्वनि सुनी वैष्णव हैल पागल वैष्णवेर मेघ घटाय हैला बादल कीर्तनानंदे सब वर्षे नेत्र जल त्रिभुवन भरी उठे कीर्तनेर ध्वनि अन्य वाद्यादिर ध्वनि किछुई ना सुनी 7 ठाई बोले प्रभु हरि हरि बली जय जगन्नाथ भले न हस्त युगतुली। आर एक शक्ति प्रभु करिल प्रकाश, एक काले सात ठाई करिल विलास। सबे कहे प्रभु आछेन मोर संप्रदाय, अन्य ठाई नाही जाय आमारे दयाय। केह लखीते नारे प्रभुर अचिंत्य शक्ति, अंतरंग भक्त जाने जार शुद्ध भक्ति। Translation: There was another party that came from Shantipur and was formed by Advaita Acharya. Achyutananda was the dancer and the rest of the men were singers. Another party was formed by the people of Khanda. These people were singing in a different place. In that group, Narahari Prabhu and Raghunandan were dancing. 4 parties chanted and danced in front of Lord Jagannath, and on either side was another party, yet another was at the rear. There were altogether 7 parties of Sankirtan, and in each party 2 men were beating drums. Thus 14 drums were being played at once. The sound was tumultuous, and all the devotees became mad. All the Vaishnavas came together like an assembly of clouds. As the devotees chanted the holy names in great ecstasy, tears fell from their eyes like rain. Text 50 to 59. त्रिभुवन भरी उठे कीर्तनेर ध्वनि, अन्य वाद्य आदिर ध्वनि किछुई ना सुनी। 7 ठाई बोले प्रभु हरि हरि बली, जय जगन्नाथ बोले नहस्त युगतुली। आर एक शक्ति प्रभु करिल प्रकाश, एक काले 7 ठाई करिल विलास। सबे कहे प्रभु आछेन मोर संप्रदाय, अन्य ठाई नाही जाय न आमारे दयाय। केह लखिते नारे प्रभुर अचिंत्य शक्ति, अंतरंग भक्त जाने जार शुद्ध भक्ति। कीर्तन देखिया जगन्नाथ हर्षित, संकीर्तन देखे रथ करिया स्थगित। प्रताप रुद्रे रहिल परम विस्मय, देखिते विवश राजा हईल प्रेममय। काशी मिश्रे कहे राजा प्रभुर महिमा, काशी मिश्र कहे तोमार भाग्यर नाही सीमा। सार्वभौम संगे राजा करे ठारा ठारी, आर केहो नाही जाने चैतन्य रचुरी। जारे तार कृपा से जानी बारे पारे, कृपा विना ब्रह्मादिक जानी बारे नारे। Translation: When the Sankirtan resounded, it filled the 3 worlds. Indeed, no one could hear any sounds or musical instruments other than the Sankirtan. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wandered through all 7 groups, chanting the holy name Hari Hari, raising his arms. He shouted all glories to Lord Jagannath. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then exhibited another mystic power by performing pastimes simultaneously in all 7 groups. Everyone said, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is present in my group. Indeed, he does not go anywhere else. He is bestowing his mercy upon us. Actually, no one could see the inconceivable potency of the Lord. Only the most confidential devotees, those in pure, unalloyed devotional service, could understand. Lord Jagannath was very much pleased by the Sankirtan, and he brought his Rath to a standstill just to see the performance. King Pratap Rudra was also astonished to see the Sankirtan. He became inactive and was converted to ecstatic love of Krishna. When the king informed Kashi Mishra of the glories of the Lord, Kashi Mishra replied, O king, your fortune has no limit. The king and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya were both aware of the Lord's activities, but no one else could see the tricks of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Only a person who has received the mercy of the Lord can understand. Without the Lord's mercy, even the gods and goddesses headed by Lord Brahma cannot understand. Text 60 to 65. राजार तुच्छ सेवा देखी प्रभुर तुष्टपन, सहित प्रसादे पाइला रहस्य दर्शन। साक्षाते ना दे देखा परोक्षित दया, के बुझीते पारे चैतन्य चंद्रेर माया। सार्वभौम काशी मिश्र दुई महाशय, राजा रे प्रसाद देखी हैला विस्मय। यही मत लीला प्रभु कैल कतक क्षण, आपने गाये नाचन निज भक्तगण। कभु एक मूर्ति कभु है बहुमूर्ति, कार्य अनुरूप प्रभु प्रकाशाय शक्ति। लीला वेशे प्रभुर नाही निजानुसंधान, इच्छा जानी लीला शक्ति करे समाधान। Translation: Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had been very satisfied to see the king accept the menial task of sweeping the street, and for this humility the king received the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He could therefore observe the mystery of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's activities. Although the king had been refused an interview, he was indirectly bestowed causeless mercy. Who can understand the internal potency of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? When the two great personalities, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and Kashi Mishra, saw Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's causeless mercy upon the king, they were astonished. Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu performed his pastimes for some time in this way. He personally sang and induced his personal associates to dance. According to his need, the Lord sometimes exhibited one form and sometimes many. This was being executed by his internal potency. Indeed, the personality of Godhead forgot himself in the course of his transcendental pastimes, but his internal potency, Leela Shakti, knowing the intentions of the Lord, made all arrangements. Text 66 to 72. पूर्वे जैछे रासादि लीला कैल वृंदावने, अलौकिक लीला गौर कैल क्षणे क्षणे। भक्तगण अनुभवे नाही जाने आन, श्री भागवत शास्त्र ताहाते प्रमाण। यही मत महाप्रभु करे नृत्य रंगे, भासाइला सब लोग प्रेमेर तरंगे। यही मत हैला कृष्णेर रथे आरोहण, तार आगे सुन जगन्नाथेर गुंडीचा गमन, तार आगे प्रभु जैसे करीला नर्तन। यही मत कीर्तन प्रभु करील कटक्षण, आपन उद्योगे नाचाइला भक्तगण। आपनी नाचीते जबे प्रभुर मन हैल, सात संप्रदाय तबे एकत्र करिल। Translation: Just as Lord Sri Krishna formerly performed the Rasa Leela dance and other pastimes at Vrindavan, Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu performed uncommon pastimes moment after moment. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's dancing before the Rath Yatra Rath could be pursued only by pure devotees. Others could not understand. Descriptions of Lord Krishna's uncommon dancing can be found in the revealed scriptures, Srimad Bhagavatam. In this way, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced in great jubilation and inundated all the people with waves of ecstatic love. Thus, Lord Jagannath mounted his Rath and Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu inspired all his devotees to dance in front of it. Now please hear about Lord Jagannath's going to Gundicha temple while Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced before the Rath. The Lord performed kirtan for some time and through his own endeavor inspired all the devotees to dance. When the Lord himself wanted to dance, all 7 groups combined together. Text 73 to 79. Srivas Ramai Raghu Govind Mukund, Haridas Govindanand Madhav Govind, Uddand Nritye Prabhur Jabe Hail Man, स्वरूपेर संगे दिला ए नव जन, ए 10 जन प्रभुर संगे गाय धाय, आर सब संप्रदाय चारी दिखे गाय। दंडवत करी प्रभु जुड़ी दुई हाथ, ऊर्ध्व मुखे स्तुति करे देखी जगन्नाथ। नमो ब्राह्मण्य देवाय गो ब्राह्मण्य हिताय च जगद्दुताय कृष्णाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। जयति जयति देवो देवकी नंदनो असौ, जयति जयति कृष्णो वृष्णिवंशो प्रदीपः, जयति जयति मेघ श्यामलः कोमलांगो, जयति जयति पृथ्वी भारो नाशो मुकुंदः। जयति जननिवासो देवकी जन्मवादो, यदुवर परिषद स्वैर दोर्भिरस्यन् अधर्मम, स्थिरचर व्रजीना घ्नः शोष्मिता श्रीमुखेन, व्रजपुर वनिता नाम वर्धयन् कामदेवम। Translation: The Lord's devotees, including Srivas, Ramai, Raghu, Govind, Mukund, Haridas, Govindanand, Madhav and Govind, all combined together. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu desired to jump high while dancing, he placed these 9 people in charge of Swarup Damodar. These devotees, Swarup Damodar and the devotees in his charge, sang along with the Lord, and they also ran beside him. All the other groups of men also sang, offering obeisances to the Lord with folded hands. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu raised his face towards Lord Jagannath and prayed as follows: Let me offer my respectful obeisances unto Lord Krishna, who is the worshipable deity for all Brahminical men, who is the well-wisher of cows and Brahmins, and who is always benefiting the whole world. I offer my repeated obeisances to the personality of Godhead, known as Krishna and Govinda. All glories unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is known as the Son of Devaki. All glories to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is known as the Light of the dynasty of Vrishni. All glories to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, whose bodily luster is like that of a new cloud, and whose body is as soft as a lotus flower. All glories to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who appeared on this planet to deliver the world from the burden of demons, and who can offer liberation to everyone. Lord Sri Krishna is he who is known as Jananivas, the ultimate resort of all living entities, and who is also known as Devaki Nandan or Yashoda Nandan, the son of Devaki and Yashoda. He is the guide of the Yadu dynasty, and with his mighty arms he kills everything inauspicious as well as every man who is impious. By his presence he destroys all things inauspicious for all living entities, moving and inert. His blissful smiling face always increases the lusty desires of the gopis of Vrindavan. May he be all glorious and happy. Text 80 to 86. Naham vipro nacha narapatir napi vaishyo na shudro, naham varni nacha grahapatir na vanasto yatirva, kintu prodyan nikhila parmananda purnamritabdhir gopi bhartu pada kamalayor dasa dasanudasada. एत पड़ी पुनरपि करीला प्रणाम, जोड़ हाथे भक्तगण वंदे भगवान, उद्दंड नृत्य प्रभु करिया हुंकार, चक्र भ्रमी भ्रमे जैसे अलाट आकार। नृत्य प्रभुर जहाँ जहाँ पड़े पदताल, स सागर तैल मही करे तलमल। स्तंभ स्वेद पुलक अश्रु कंप वैवर्ण्य, नाना भावे विवशता गर्व हर्ष दैन्य। आछाड़ खाइया पड़े भूमे गड़ी जाए, सुवर्ण पर्वत्य जैसे भूमे ते पड़ लौटाए। नित्यानंद प्रभु दुई हाथ प्रसारिया, प्रभु रे धरिते चाहे आस पास धाइया. Translation next. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited a verse from Padyavali, 74th verse. The meaning is, I am not a Brahmin, I am not a Kshatriya, I am not a Vaishya or a Shudra, nor am I a Brahmachari, a householder, a Vanaprasth or a Sannyasi. I identify myself only as a servant of the servant of the servant of the lotus feet of Lord Sri Krishna, the maintainer of the gopis. He is like an ocean of nectar and he is the cause of universal transcendental bliss. He is always existing with brilliance. Having recited all these verses from scripture, the Lord again offered his obeisances, and all the devotees with folded hands also offered prayers to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced and jumped high, roaring like thunder and moving in a circle like a wheel, he appeared like a circling firebrand. Wherever Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stepped while dancing, the whole earth with its hills and seas appeared to tilt. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced, he displayed various blissful transcendental changes in his body. Sometimes he appeared as though stunned, sometimes the hairs of his body stood on end, sometimes he perspired, cried, trembled and changed color, and sometimes he exhibited symptoms of helplessness, pride, exuberance and humility. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fell down with a crash while dancing, he would roll on the ground as at such times it appeared that a golden mountain was rolling on the ground. Nityananda Prabhu would stretch out his two hands and try to catch the Lord when he was running here and there. Text 87 to 96. Prabhu Pache बुले आचार्य करिया हुंकार, हरि बोल बले बार बार. लोक निवारिते हैल तीन मंडल, प्रथम मंडले नित्यानंद महाबल. काशीश्वर गोविंद आदि जत भक्तगण, हाथा हाथी करी हैल द्वितीय आवरण. बाहिरे प्रताप रुद्र लैया पात्रगण, मंडल हैया करे लोक निवारण. हरिचंदनेर स्कंदे हस्त आलंबिया, प्रभुर नृत्य देखे राजा आविष्ट हैया. हेन काले श्रीनिवास प्रेमाविष्ट मन, राजा रागे रही देखे प्रभुर नर्तन. राजा रे आगे हरिचंदन देखे श्रीनिवास, हस्ते तारे स्पर्शी कहे हओ एक पास. नृत्यावेशे श्रीवास किछुई ना जाने, बार बार ठेले त्यों क्रोध हैल मने. चापड़ मारिया तारे कैल निवारण, चापड़ खाइया क्रुद्ध हैला हरिचंदन. क्रुद्ध हैया तारे किचु चाहे बलिबारे, आपनी प्रताप रुद्र निवारिल तारे. Translation. Advaita Acharya would walk behind the Lord and loudly chant Hari Bol again and again. Just to check the crowds from coming too near to the Lord, the devotees formed three circles. The first circle was guided by Nityananda Prabhu, who is Balram himself, the possessor of great strength. All the devotees headed by Kashishwar and Govind linked hands and formed a second circle around the Lord. Maharaj Pratap Rudra and his personal assistants formed a third circle around the two inner circles just to check the crowds from coming too near. With his hands on the shoulders of Harichandan, King Pratap Rudra could see Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dancing, and the king felt great ecstasy. While the king beheld the dancing, Srivas Thakur standing in front of him became ecstatic as he saw the dancing of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Seeing Srivas Thakur standing before the king, Harichandan touched Srivas with his hand and requested him to step aside. Absorbed in watching Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dance, Srivas Thakur could not understand why he was being touched and pushed. After he was pushed again and again, he became angry. Srivas Thakur slapped Harichandan to stop him from pushing him. In turn, this made Harichandan angry. As the angered Harichandan was about to speak to Srivas Thakur, Pratap Rudra Maharaj personally stopped him. Text 97 to 106. भाग्यवान तुम्ही यहाँ हस्तस्पर्श पाहिला, आमार भाग्य नाही तुम्ही कृतार्थ हैला. प्रभुर नृत्य देखी लोके हैल चमत्कार, अन्य आचुक जगन्नाथेर आनंद अपार. रथ स्थिर कैल आगे ना करे गमन, अनिमिष नेत्रे करे नृत्य दर्शन. सुभद्रा बलरामेर हृदय उल्लास, नृत्य देखी दुई जनार श्री मुखे ते हास. उद्दंड नृत्य प्रभुर अद्भुत विकार, अष्ट सात्विक भाव उदय है समकाल. मांस वृण सम रोम वृंद पुलकित, सिमूलीर वृक्ष जैन कंटक वेष्टित. एक एक दंतेर कंप देखीते लागे भय, लोके जाने दंत सब खसिया पड़े. सर्वांगे प्रस्वेद छूटे ताते रक्तोद्गम, जजगग जजगग गदगद वचन. जलयंत्र धारा जैचे वहे अश्रुजल, आस पासे लोक यत भेजिला सकल. देह कांति गौरवर्ण देखिया अरुण, कभू कांति देखी जैन मल्लिका पुष्पसम. King Pratap Rudra said, "You are very fortunate, for you have been graced by the touch of Srivas Thakur. I am not so fortunate. You should feel obliged to him." Everyone was astonished by the dancing of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and even Lord Jagannath became extremely happy to see him. The Rath came to a complete standstill and remained immobile while Lord Jagannath, with unblinking eyes, watched the dancing of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Subhadra Devi and Lord Balram both felt great happiness and ecstasy within their hearts. Indeed, they were seen smiling at the dancing. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced and jumped high, 8 wonderful transformations indicative of divine ecstasy were seen in his body. All these symptoms were visible simultaneously. His skin erupted with goose pimples, and the hairs of his body stood on end. His body resembled the simuli, silk cotton tree, all covered with thorns. Indeed, the people became afraid just to see his teeth chatter, and they even thought that his teeth would fall out. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's whole body flowed with perspiration and at the same time oozed blood. He made the sounds jajagaga jajagaga in a voice choked with ecstasy. Tears came forcefully from the eyes of the Lord as if from a syringe, and all the people surrounding him became wet. Everyone saw the complexion of his body change from white to pink, so that his luster resembled that of a mallika flower. Text 107 to 114. Kabhu stambha kabhu prabhu bhumi te lotaye, shushka kashta sam pada hasta na chalaye. Kabhu bhume pade kabhu श्वास है हीन, जहाँ देखी भक्त गणेर प्राण है क्षीण. कभू नेत्रे नाशाय जल मुखे पड़े फेन, अमृतेर धारा चंद्र बिंबे वहे जेन. सेई फेण लैया शुभानंद कैल पान, कृष्ण प्रेम रसिक तेहो महाभाग्यवान. यही मत तांडव नृत्य कैल कतक्षण, भाव विशेषे प्रभुर प्रवेशिल मन. तांडव नृत्य छाड़ी स्वरूपे रे आज्ञा दिल, हृदय जानिया स्वरूप गाइते लागिल. सेत पराणनाथ पायनु যাহা লাগি মদন দহনে ঝুরি গেনু এই ধুয়া উচ্চৈস্বরে গায় দামোদর आनंदे मधुर नृत्य करे न ईश्वर. Translation: sometimes he appeared stunned and sometimes he rolled on the ground. Indeed, sometimes his legs and hands became as hard as dry wood and he did not move. When the Lord fell to the ground, sometimes his breathing almost stopped. When the devotees saw this, their lives also became very feeble. Water flowed from his eyes and sometimes through his nostrils, and foam fell from his mouth. These flowings appeared to be torrents of nectar descending from the moon. The foam that fell from the mouth of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was taken and drunk by Shubhananda because he was very fortunate and expert in relishing the mellow of ecstatic love of Krishna. After Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had performed his devastating dance for some time, his mind entered into a mood of ecstatic love. After abandoning the dancing, the Lord ordered Swarupa Damodar to sing. Understanding his mind, Swarupa Damodar began to sing as follows. Now I have gained the Lord of my life in the absence of whom I was being burned by Cupid and was withering away. When this refrain was loudly sung by Swarup Damodar, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again began rhythmically dancing in transcendental bliss. Text 115 to 121. धीरे धीरे जगन्नाथ करे न गमन आगे नृत्य करी चले न सचीर नंदन जगन्नाथे नेत्र दिया सबे नाचे गाए कीर्तनिया सह प्रभु पाछे पाछे जाए जगन्नाथे मग्न प्रभुर नयन हृदय श्रीहस्त युगे करे गीतेर अभिनय गौर यदि पाछे चले श्याम है स्थिरे गौर आगे चले श्याम चले धीरे धीरे ए मत गौर श्यामे दोहे ठेला ठेली स्वरथे श्यामे रे राखे गौर महाबली नाचीते नाचीते प्रभुर हैल भावांतर हस्ततुली श्लोक पड़े करी उच्चैश्वर यह कौमार हरह स एव ही वरस्ता एव चैत्र क्षपास ते चोन्मिलित मालती सौरभ्य प्रौढ़ कदम्बा नीलः सा चैवास्मि तथापि तत्र सुरत व्यापार लीला विधौ रेवारोधसी वेतसी तरुतले चेत समुत्कंठते. Translation: The wrath of Lord Jagannath began to move slowly while the son of Mother Sachi went ahead and danced in front. While dancing and singing, all the devotees in front of Lord Jagannath kept their eyes on him. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then went to the end of the procession with the Sankirtan performers. His eyes and mind fully absorbed in Lord Jagannath, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu began to play the drama of the song with his two arms. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dramatically enacting the song, he would sometimes fall behind in the procession. At such times, Lord Jagannath would come to a standstill. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again went forward, Lord Jagannath's rath would slowly start again. Thus, there was a sort of competition between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Lord Jagannath in seeing who would lead, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so strong that he made Lord Jagannath wait in his rath. While Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dancing, his ecstasy changed. Raising his two arms, he began to recite the following verse in a loud voice. That very personality who stole away my heart during my youth is now again my master. These are the same moonlit nights of the month of Chaitra. The same fragrance of malati flowers is there, and the same sweet breezes are blowing from the Kadamba forest. In our intimate relationship, I am also the same lover, yet still my mind is not happy here. I am eager to go back to that place on the bank of the Reva under the Vetasi tree. That is my desire. Text 122 to 129. यही श्लोक महाप्रभु पढ़े बार बार, स्वरूप बिना अर्थ के हो ना जाने इहार। यही श्लोकार्थ पूर्वे करियाछि व्याख्यान, श्लोकेर भावार्थ करी संक्षेप आख्यान। पूर्वे जैसे कुरुक्षेत्रे सब गोपीगण, कृष्णेर दर्शन पाया आनंदित मन। जगन्नाथ देखी प्रभुर से भाव उठिल, से भावाविष्ट हैया धुया गावाइल। अवशेषे राधा कृष्णे करे निवेदन, से तुमी से आमी से नव संगम। तथापि आमार मन हरे वृंदावन, वृंदावने उदय कराओ आपन चरण। यहाँ लोकारण्य हाथी घोड़ा रथ ध्वनि, ताहा पुष्प अरण्य भृंग पीक नाद सुनी। यहाँ राजवेश संगे सब क्षत्रिय गण, ताहा गोपवेश संगे मुरली वादन। Translation: This verse was recited by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again and again, but for Swarupa Damodar, no one could understand its meaning. I have already explained this verse, now I shall simply describe it in brief. Formerly, all the gopis of Vrindavan were very pleased when they met with Krishna in the holy place Kurukshetra. Similarly, after seeing Lord Jagannath, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu awoke with the ecstasy of the gopis. Being absorbed in this ecstasy, he asked Swarup Damodar to sing the refrain. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu spoke thus to Lord Jagannath: You are the same Krishna and I am the same Radharani. We are meeting again in the same way that we met in the beginning of our lives. Although we are both the same, my mind is still attracted to Vrindavan Dham. I wish that you will please again appear with your lotus feet in Vrindavan. In Kurukshetra, there are crowds of people, elephants and horses, and also the rattling of chariots. But in Vrindavan, there are flower gardens and the humming of the bees and chirping of the birds can be heard. Here at Kurukshetra, you are dressed like a royal prince, accompanied by great warriors, but in Vrindavan, you appeared just like an ordinary cowherd boy, accompanied only by your beautiful flute. Text 130 to 136. ब्रजे तोमार संगे जय सुख आस्वादन, सही सुख समुद्रेर यहाँ नाही एक कण। आमा लैया पुनः लीला कराहो वृंदावने, तबे आमार मनोवांछा है पूरणे। भागवते आछे जैचे राधिका वचन, पूर्वे तहा सूत्र मध्य करियाछि वर्णन। सही भावावेशे प्रभु पढ़े आर श्लोक, सही सब श्लोकेर अर्थ नाही बुझे लोक। स्वरूप गोसाई जाने ना कहे अर्थ तार, श्री रूप गोसाई कैल से अर्थ प्रचार। स्वरूप संगे जार अर्थ करे आस्वादन, नृत्य मध्य से श्लोक करे न पठन। आहुश्चाते नलिन नाभ पदार विंदम, योगेश्वरैर्हृदि विचिन्त्यम अगाध बोधैहि। संसार कूप पतितोत्तरणावलंबम, गेहम जुषामपि मनसि उदीयात् सदा नः। Translation: Here there is not even a drop of the ocean of transcendental happiness that I enjoyed with you in Vrindavan. I therefore request you to come to Vrindavan and enjoy pastimes with me. If you do so, my ambition will be fulfilled. I have already described in brief Srimati Radharani's statement from Srimad Bhagavatam. In that ecstatic mood, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited many other verses, but people in general could not understand their meaning. The meaning of those verses was known to Swarupa Damodar Goswami, but he did not reveal it. However, Sri Rupa Goswami has broadcast the meaning. While dancing, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu began to recite the following verse, which he tasted in the association of Swarupa Damodar Goswami. The meaning is, the gopis spoke thus: Dear Lord, whose navel is just like a lotus flower, your lotus feet are the only shelter for those who have fallen into the deep well of material existence. Your feet are worshipped and meditated upon by great mystic yogis and highly learned philosophers. We wish that these lotus feet may also be awakened within our hearts, although we are only ordinary persons engaged in household affairs. Text 137 to 140. अन्येर हृदय मन मोर मन वृंदावन, मने वने एक करी जानी, ताहाँ तोमार पद द्वय कराह यदि उदय, तबे तोमार पूर्ण कृपा मानी। प्राणनाथ सुन मोर सत्य निवेदन, व्रज आमार सदन, ताहाँ तोमार संगम, ना पायले ना रहे जीवन। पूर्वे उद्धव द्वारे एबे साक्षात आमारे, योग ज्ञाने कहिल उपाय, तुम्ही विदग्ध कृपामय, जानो आमार हृदय, मोरे ऐच्छे कहिते ना जुआय। चित्त काढ़ी तोमा हईते, विषय चाही लगाईते, यत्न करी नारी काढ़ी बारे, तारे ध्यान शिक्षा कराहो, लोक हासे मार, स्थान स्थान न कर विचारे। Translation. Speaking in the mood of Srimati Radharani, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, for most people the mind and heart are one, but because my mind is never separated from Vrindavan, I consider my mind and Vrindavan to be one. My mind is already Vrindavan, and since you like Vrindavan, will you please place your lotus feet there? I would deem that your full mercy. My dear Lord, kindly hear my true submission. My home is Vrindavan and I wish your association there. But if I do not get it, then it will be very difficult for me to keep my life. My dear Krishna, formerly when you were staying in Mathura, you sent Uddhav to teach me speculative knowledge and mystic yoga. Now you yourself are speaking the same thing, but my mind does not accept it. There is no place in my mind for Gnana Yoga or Dhyana Yoga. Although you know me very well, you are still instructing me in Gnana Yoga and Dhyana Yoga. It is not right for you to do so. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continued, I would like to withdraw my consciousness from you and engage it in material activities. But even though I try, I cannot do so. I am naturally inclined to you only. Your instructions for me to meditate on you are therefore simply ludicrous. In this way you are killing me. It is not very good for you to think of me as a candidate for your instructions. Text 141 to 144. नहे गोपी योगेश्वर पद कमल तोमार, ध्यान करी पाइबे संतोष। तोमार वाक्य परिपाटी, तार मध्य कूटी नाटी, सुनी गोपीर आरो बाधे रोष। देह स्मृति नाही जार, संसार कूप कहाँ तार, ताहा हैते ना चाहे उद्धार, विरह समुद्र जले, काम तिमिंगिले गिले, गोपी गणे नेह तार पार। वृंदावन गोवर्धन यमुना पुलीन वन, सई कुंजे रासादिक लीला, सई ब्रजेर ब्रजजन, माता पिता बंधुगण, बड़ चित्र के मने पासरिन। वैदग्ध मृदु सद्गुण सुशील स्निग्ध करुणा, तुम्ही तोमार नाही दोषाभास, तबे जे तोमार मन नाही स्मरे व्रजजन, से आमार दुर्दैव विलास। Translations. The gopis are not like the mystic yogis. They will never be satisfied simply by meditating on your lotus feet and imitating the so-called yogis. Teaching the gopis about meditation is another kind of duplicity. When they are instructed to undergo mystic yoga practice, they are not at all satisfied. On the contrary, they become more and more angry with you. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continued, the gopis have fallen into the great ocean of separation and are being devoured by the Timingala fish of their ambition to serve you. The gopis are to be delivered from the mouths of these Timingala fish, for they are pure devotees. Since they have no material conception of life, why should they aspire for liberation? The gopis do not want that liberation desired by yogis and gnanis, for they are already liberated from the ocean of material existence. It is amazing that you have forgotten the land of Vrindavan. And how is that you have forgotten your father, mother, and friends? How have you forgotten Govardhan Hill, the bank of the Yamuna, and the forest where you enjoyed the Rasa Leela dance? Krishna, you are certainly a refined gentleman with all good qualities. You are well behaved, soft hearted, and merciful. I know that there is not even a tinge of fault to be found in you. Yet your mind does not even remember the inhabitants of Vrindavan. This is only my misfortune, nothing else. Text 145 to 150. Na gani apan dukh dekhi brajeshwari mukh, ब्रज जनेर हृदय विदरे, किबा मार ब्रजवासी, किबा जियाओ व्रजे आसी, केन जियाओ दुख सहाय बारे। तोमार जे अन्य वेश, अन्य संग, अन्य देश, ब्रज जने कभू नाही भाय। ब्रजभूमि छाड़ीते नारे, तोमा ना देखिले मरे, ब्रज जनेर की हबे उपाय। तुम्ही ब्रजेर जीवन, ब्रजराजेर प्राण धन, तुम्ही ब्रजेर सकल संपद, कृपार्द्र तोमार मन, आसी जियाओ व्रजजन, ब्रजे उदय कराओ निज पद। सुनिया राधिका वाणी, ब्रज प्रेम मने आनी, भावे व्याकुलित देह मन, ब्रजलोकेर प्रेम सुनी, आपना के ऋणी मानी, करे कृष्ण तारे आश्वासन। प्राण प्रिय सुन मोर ये सत्य वचन, तोमा सबार स्मरणे, झूरो मोई रात्रि दिने, मोर दुख ना जाने कौन जन। ब्रजवासी जत जन, माता पिता सखागण, सबे है मोर प्राण सम, तार मध्य गोपीगण, साक्षात मोर जीवन, तुम्ही मोर जीवनेर जीवन। Translation. I do not care for my personal unhappiness, but when I see the morose face of Mother Yashoda and the hearts of all the inhabitants of Vrindavan breaking because of you, I wonder whether you want to kill them all, or do you want to enliven them by coming there? Why are you simply keeping them alive in a state of suffering? The inhabitants of Vrindavan do not want you dressed like a prince, nor do they want you to associate with great warriors in a different country. They cannot leave the land of Vrindavan, and without your presence they are all dying. What is their condition to be? My dear Krishna, you are the life and soul of Vrindavan Dham. You are especially the life of Nanda Maharaj. You are the only opulence in the land of Vrindavan, and you are very merciful. Please come and let all the residents of Vrindavan live. Kindly keep your lotus feet again in Vrindavan. After hearing Srimati Radharani's statements, Lord Krishna's love for the inhabitants of Vrindavan was evoked, and his body and mind became very much perturbed after hearing of their love for him. He immediately thought himself to be always indebted to the residents of Vrindavan. Then Krishna began to pacify Srimati Radharani as follows: My dearest Srimati Radharani, please hear me. I am speaking the truth. I cry day and night simply upon remembering all you inhabitants of Vrindavan. No one knows how unhappy this makes me. Sri Krishna continued, all the inhabitants of Vrindavan Dham, my mother, father, cowherd, boyfriends and everything else are like my life and soul. And among all the inhabitants of Vrindavan, the gopis are my very life and soul. And among the gopis, you, Srimati Radharani, are the chief. Therefore, you are the very life of my life. Text 151 to 155. Toma sabar prem rase, ama ke karil vase, ami tomar adhin keval, toma sabha chadaiya, ama dur deshe laiya, rakhi ache durdaiva prabal. Priya priya sanghin, priya संग वीना नाही जिए ए सत्य प्रमाण मोर दशा सुने जबे तार एई दशा हबे एई भये दुहे राखे प्राण सेई सती प्रेमवती प्रेमवान सेई पति वियोगे जे वांछे प्रिय हिते ना गणे आपन दुख वांछे प्रियजन सुख सेई दुई मिले अचिराते राखीते तोमार जीवन सेवी आमी नारायण तार शक्ति आसी नीति नीति तोमासने क्रीड़ा करी नीति आई यदुपुरी ताहा तुमी मानह मोर स्फूर्ति मोर भाग्य मो विषय तोमार जे प्रेम है सही प्रेम परम प्रबल लुकाइया आमा आने संग कराए तोमासने प्रकटेह आनिबे सत्वर. Translation. My dear Srimati Radharani, I am always subservient to the loving affairs of all of you. I am under your control only. My separation from you and residence in distant places have occurred due to my strong misfortune. When a woman is separated from the man she loves, or a man is separated from his beloved woman, neither of them can live. It is a fact that they live only for each other. For if one dies and the other hears of it, he or she will die also. Such a loving, chaste wife and loving husband desire all welfare for each other in separation and do not care for personal happiness. Desiring only each other's well-being, such a pair certainly meet again without delay. You are my most dear, and I know that in my absence you cannot live for a moment. Just to keep you living, I worship Lord Narayan. By his merciful potency, I come to Vrindavan every day to enjoy pastimes with you. I then return to Dwarka Dham. Thus you can always feel my presence there in Vrindavan. Our love affair is more powerful because of my good fortune in receiving Narayan's grace. This allows me to come there unseen by others. I hope that very soon I will be visible to everyone. Text 156 to 160. यादवेर विपक्ष जत दुष्ट कंस पक्ष ताहा आमी कैलो सबक क्षय आछे दुई चारी जन ताहा मारी वृंदावन आइलाम आमी जानिह निश्चय सेई शत्रुगण हैते ब्रज जन राखीते रही राज्य उदासीन हैया जेवा स्त्री पुत्र धने करी राज्य आवरणे यदु गणेर संतोष लागिया तोमार जे प्रेम गुण करे आमा आकर्षण आनी बे आमा दिन दस बीसे पुनः आसी वृंदावने व्रजवधु तोमा सने विलासिब रजनी दिवसे एत तारे कही कृष्ण ब्रजे जायते स तृष्ण एक श्लोक पढ़ी सुनाइल सही श्लोक सुनी राधा खंडिल सकल बाधा कृष्ण प्राप्ति प्रतीति हैला मयि भक्तिर्हि भूतानाम अमृतत्वाय कल्पते दिष्ट्या यदासीन मत स्नेहो भवति नाम मद आपनः. Translation. I have already killed all the mischievous demons who are enemies of the Yadu dynasty, and I have also killed Kams and his allies, but there are 2 or 4 demons still living. I want to kill them, and after doing so I shall very soon return to Vrindavan. Please know this for certain. I wish to protect the inhabitants of Vrindavan from the attacks of my enemies. That is why I remain in my kingdom. Otherwise, I am indifferent to my royal position. Whatever wives, sons and wealth I maintain in the kingdom are only for the satisfaction of the Yadus. Your loving qualities always attract me to Vrindavan. Indeed, they will bring me back within 10 or 20 days, and when I return, I shall enjoy both day and night with you and all the damsels of Vrindavan, Brajabhumi. While speaking to Srimati Radharani, Krishna became very anxious to return to Vrindavan. He made her listen to a verse which banished all her difficulties and which assured her that she would again attain Krishna. So this verse is from Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 82nd chapter, 44th verse. The meaning is, Lord Krishna said, devotional service unto me is the only way to attain me. My dear gopis, whatever love and affection you have attained for me by good fortune is the only reason for my returning to you. Text 161 to 170. एई सब अर्थ प्रभु स्वरूपेर सने रात्रि दिने गरे बसी करे आस्वादने नृत्य काले सेई भावे आविष्ट हैया श्लोक पढ़ी नाचे जगन्नाथ मुख छाइया स्वरूप गोसाईर भाग्य ना जाय वर्णन प्रभुते आविष्ट जार काया वाक्य मन स्वरूपेर इंद्रिये प्रभुर निजेंद्रिय गण आविष्ट हैया करे गान आस्वादन भावेर आवेशे कभु भूमि ते बसिया तर्जनी ते भूमे लिखे अधोमुख हैया अंगुलिते क्षत हबे जानी दामोदर भये निज करे निवारये प्रभुर कर प्रभुर भाव अनुरूप स्वरूपेर गान जबे जेई रस ताहा करे मूर्तिमान श्री जगन्नाथेर देखे श्री मुख कमल ताहार ऊपर सुंदर नयन जुगल सूर्येर किरणे मुख करे झलमल माल्य वस्त्र दिव्य अलंकार परिमल प्रभुर हृदय आनंद सिंधु उठाईला उन्माद झांझावात तत्क्षणे उठीला. Translation. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would sit in his room with Swarup Damodar and taste the topics of these verses day and night. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced completely absorbed in ecstatic emotion While looking at the face of Lord Jagannath, he danced and recited these verses. No one can describe the good fortune of Swarupa Damodar Goswami, for he is always absorbed in the service of the Lord with his body, mind and words. The senses of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu were identical with the senses of Swarup. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to become fully absorbed in tasting the singing of Swarupa Damodar. In emotional ecstasy, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would sometimes sit on the ground and looking down would write on the ground with his finger. Fearing that the Lord would injure his finger by writing in this way, Swarupa Damodar checked him with his own hand. Swarupa Damodar used to sing exactly according to the ecstatic emotion of the Lord. Whenever a particular mellow was being tasted by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Swarupa Damodar would personify it by singing. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu looked upon the beautiful lotus-like face and eyes of Lord Jagannath. Lord Jagannath was garlanded, dressed with nice garments and adorned with beautiful ornaments. His face was glittering from the rays of sunshine and the entire atmosphere was fragrant. An ocean of transcendental bliss expanded in the heart of the Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and symptoms of madness immediately intensified like a hurricane. Text 177 to 179. आनंद उन्मादे उठाए भावेर तरंग, नाना भाव सैन्य उपजिल युद्ध रंग, भावोदय भाव शांति संधि साबल्य, संचारी सात्विक स्थायी स्वभाव प्राबल्य, प्रभुर शरीर जैन शुद्ध हिमाचल, भाव पुष्प द्रुम ताहे पुष्पित सकल, देखीते आकर्षय सबार चित्तमन, प्रेमामृते वृष्टये प्रभु सिंचे सबार मन, जगन्नाथ सेवक जत राजा पात्रगण, यात्रिक लोक नीलाचल वासी जत जन, प्रभुर नृत्य प्रेम देखी है चमत्कार, कृष्ण प्रेम उछलीला हृदय सबार, प्रेमे नाचे गाए लोक करे कोलाहल, प्रभुर नृत्य देखी सबे आनंदे विभल, अन्येर की काय जगन्नाथ हलधर, प्रभुर नृत्य देखी सुखे चलीला मंथर, कभु सुखे नृत्य रंग देखी रथ राखी, से कौतुके जे देखिल से तार साक्षी. Translation. The madness of transcendental bliss created waves of various emotions. The emotions appeared like opposing soldiers staging a fight. There was an increase in all the natural emotional symptoms. Thus, there were awakening emotions, peacefulness, joined, mixed, transcendental and prevalent emotions, and impetus for emotion. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's body appeared like a transcendental Himalayan mountain, bearing ecstatic emotional flower trees, all of them blooming. The sight of all these symptoms attracted everyone's mind and consciousness. Indeed, the Lord sprinkled everyone's mind with the nectar of transcendental love of Godhead. He sprinkled the minds of the servants of Lord Jagannath, the government officers, the pilgrim visitors, the general populace and all the residents of Jagannath Puri. Upon seeing the dancing and ecstatic love of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, everyone became astonished. In their hearts, they became infatuated with love of Krishna. Everyone danced and chanted in ecstatic love, and a great noise resounded. Everyone was overwhelmed with transcendental bliss just to see the dancing of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Apart from the others, even Lord Jagannath and Lord Balram, with great happiness, began to move very slowly upon seeing the dancing of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Lord Jagannath and Lord Balram sometimes stopped the rath and happily observed Lord Chaitanya's dancing. Anyone who was able to see them stop and watch the dancing bore witness to their pastimes. Text 180 to 187. ए मत प्रभु नृत्य करीते भ्रमिते प्रताप रुद्रेर आगे लागिला पड़ीते। संभ्रमे प्रताप रुद्र प्रभु के धरीला, ताहा के देखीते प्रभुर बाह्य ज्ञान हैला। राजा देखी महाप्रभु करें धिकार, छी छी विषयीर स्पर्श हैल अमार। आवेशेते नित्यानंद ना हैल सावधाने, काशीश्वर गोविंद आचिला अन्य स्थाने। यद्यपि राजार देखी हाडीर सेवन, प्रसन्न हैया छे तारे मिलिबारे मन। तथापि आपन गणे करीते सावधान, बाह्ये किछु रोषाभास कैला भगवान। प्रभुर वचने राजार मने हैल भय, सार्वभौम कहे तुमी ना कर संशय। तोमार ऊपरे प्रभुर सुप्रसन्न मन, तोमा लक्ष्य करी सिखाए न निज गण। Translation. When Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dancing and wandering in this way, he fell down in front of Maharaj Prataparudra. Maharaj Prataparudra picked up the Lord with great respect, but upon seeing the king, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to his external senses. After seeing the king, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu condemned himself, saying, "How pitiful it is that I have touched a person who is interested in mundane affairs." Not even Lord Nityananda Prabhu, Kashishwar or Govind took care of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu when he fell down. Nityananda was in great ecstasy and Kashishwar and Govind were elsewhere. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had already been satisfied by the king's behavior, for the king had accepted the service of a sweeper for Lord Jagannath. Therefore, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu actually desired to see the king. However, just to warn his personal associates, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu externally expressed feelings of anger. King Prataparudra became frightened when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showed external anger. But Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya told the king, "Don't worry." Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya informed the king, "The Lord is very satisfied with you." By pointing you out, he was teaching his personal associates how to behave with mundane people. Text 188 to 195. अवसर जानी आमी करीबा निवेदन, से काले जाय करिहो प्रभुर मिलन। तबे महाप्रभु रथ प्रदक्षिणा करिया, रथ पाछे जाई ठेले रथे माथा दिया। ठेली ते चलिल रथ हड़ हड़ करी, चतुर्दिके लोक सबे बोले हरि हरि। तबे प्रभु निज भक्त गण लैया संगे, बलदेव सुभद्रा आग्रे नृत्य करे रंगे। ताहा नृत्य करी जगन्नाथ आगे आइला, जगन्नाथ देखी नृत्य करीते लागिला। चलिया आइला रथ बलगंडी स्थाने, जगन्नाथ रथ राखी देखे दाहिने वामे। वामे विप्र शासन नारिकेल वन, दाहिने त पुष्पोद्यान जैन वृंदावन। आगे नृत्य करे गौर लैया भक्तगण, रथ राखी जगन्नाथ करे न दर्शन। Translation. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya continued, "I shall submit your petition when there is an opportune moment. It will then be easy for you to come and meet the Lord." After circumambulating Jagannath, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went behind the rath and began pushing it with his head. As soon as he pushed, the rath immediately started to move, making a rattling noise. The people all around began to chant the holy name of the Lord, Hari, Hari. As the rath began to move, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took his personal associates in front of the rath occupied by Lord Balram and Subhadra. Greatly inspired, he then began to dance in front of them. After finishing the dance before Lord Baldev and Subhadra, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came before Lord Jagannath's Rath. Upon seeing Lord Jagannath, he began to dance again. When they reached the place called Balagandi, Lord Jagannath stopped his Rath and began to look left and right. On the left side, Lord Jagannath saw a neighborhood of Brahmins and a coconut tree grow. On the right side, he saw nice flower gardens resembling those in the holy place Vrindavan. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his devotees were dancing in front of the Rath, and Lord Jagannath, having stopped the Rath, watched the dancing. Text 196 to 205. सेई स्थले भोग लागे आच्छये नियम कोटि भोग जगन्नाथ करे आस्वादन जगन्नाथेर छोट बड़ जत भक्तगण निज निज उत्तम भोग करे समर्पण राजा राजमहिषी वृंद पात्र मित्रगण नीलाचलवासी जत छोट बड़ जन नाना देशेर देशी जत यात्रिक जन निज निज भोग तहाँ करे समर्पण आगे पाछे दुई पार्श्वे पुष्पोद्यान वने जे जहाँ पाए लगाए नाही का नियमे भोगेर समय लोकेर महाभीड़ हैला नृत्य छाड़ी महाप्रभु उपवने गेला प्रेमावेशे महाप्रभु उपवन पाया पुष्प उद्याने ग्रह पिंडाए रहिला पड़िया नृत्य परिश्रमे प्रभुर देहे घन घर्म सुगंधी शीतल वायु करे न सेवन जत भक्त कीर्तनिया आसिया आरामे प्रति वृक्ष तले सबे करे न विश्रामे एत कहिला प्रभुर महासंकीर्तन जगन्नाथे रागे जैसे करिला नर्तन. Translation. It was customary that food be offered to the Lord at Viprasasan. Indeed, innumerable dishes of food were offered, and Lord Jagannath tasted each of them. All kinds of devotees of Lord Jagannath, from neophytes to the most advanced, offered their best cooked food to the Lord. These devotees included the king, his queens, his ministers, and friends, and all other big and small residents of Jagannath Puri. All the visitors who had come from different countries to Jagannath Puri, as well as the local devotees, offered their personally cooked food to the Lord. The devotees offered their food everywhere, in front of the Rath and behind it, on the two sides and within the flower garden. Wherever possible, they made their offering to the Lord, for there were no hard and fast rules. While the food was being offered, a large crowd of people gathered. At that time, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stopped his dancing and went to a nearby garden. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu entered the garden and, immersed in great ecstatic emotion, fell flat on a raised platform there. The Lord was very much fatigued from the hard labor of dancing, and there was perspiration all over his body. He therefore enjoyed the fragrant, cool breeze of the garden. All the devotees who had been performing Sankirtan came there and took rest under each and every tree. Thus I have described the great performance of the congregational chanting by Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as he danced in front of Lord Jagannath. Text 206 to 209. रथ अग्रेते प्रभु जैसे करीला नर्तन चैतन्य अष्टके रूप गोसाई करियाचे वर्णन रथ रूढ़ स्याराद अधिपदवी नीलाचल पतेर अधब्र प्रेमोर्मी स्फुरित नटनोल्लास विवशः सहर्षम गायाद भिहि परिवृत तनूर वैष्णव जनहि स चैतन्य किम में पुनरपि दृशोर यस्याति पदम. इहा जय सुने से श्री चैतन्य पाए सुदृढ़ विश्वास सह प्रेम भक्ति है. श्री रूप रघुनाथ पदे जाराश चैतन्य चरित्रामत कहे कृष्णदास. Translation. In his prayer known as the Chaitanya Ashtaka, Srila Rupa Goswami has given a vivid description of the Lord's dancing before the Rath of Lord Jagannath. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced down the main road in great ecstasy before Lord Jagannath, the master of Nilachal, who was sitting on his Rath. Overwhelmed by the transcendental bliss of dancing and surrounded by Vaishnavas who sang the holy names, he manifested waves of ecstatic love of Godhead. When will Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again be visible to my vision? Anyone who hears this description of the Rath Yatra festival will attain Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He will also attain the elevated state by which he will have firm conviction in devotional service and love of Godhead. Praying at the lotus feet of Sri Rupa and Sri Raghunath, always desiring their mercy, I, Krishnadas, narrate Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita following in their footsteps. So here ends the 13th chapter of Madhya Leela of Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Hari Bol, Dandavat Pranam.